In this video, I am going to explain about Python data types. Here, there are mandatory. In here, there are most usable data types. I upload this in the description. Firstly, I am going to explain this string. For that, I open IDE, PyCharm IDE, then I add something string. That means I add some variable name as name, then equal, I add as Hasith. Then I print this in name. Then I run the program. It is printing. This is str string. If I want to know the data type of this name, you can write type and print. Then that is str. Just like that. Then next one is numeric types. Those are int, float, and complex. As an example, you can write here, you can change this as number and you can write a number. Then firstly you print this number and also after that you can print the type. Here this is int. If you can write 1.1, then it is float. Data type is float. If you write 1j, if you write 1j, it is complex type. Okay, you can write complex type just like this 2 plus 1j. Then this is complex type. I make another videos for list, tuple, range, dictionary, and sets. I will explain this boolean. Here, PL, I write this as true. In here, in Python, true and false, the first letter of true, the first letter of false are capital. Just like that. Then you can print. That is type bool. That is boolean. You can add some numbers. If you are define variable name, you can add numbers too. But you can't start from a number. That is 7. And also you can start from underscore. This is working. And also you can add symbols to variable name. Now I am going to explain binary data types. First one, I use bytes. Define bytes. Here I change this variable name as ABC. Then if I want ABC is equal, I write as hello. Then I print. Then it is string. If I want to define a byte, I can write here B. then that is belongs to bytes data type. I want to add byte array, then I run a byte array, then I add 5 or something. If I run, this is byte array. This is print in the variable. Here, this is print in the data type. Variable is this, data type is this. This hexadecimal value. Next, you can write, you can print. I am going to next explain memory view. Then it is just like this, memory view. Then I should write byte values because memory is a byte. Then I can print here. There is printing the memory location. Okay. Here now I am going to explain casting. I write a number 2.4. Then I print it is float data type and variable is 2.4. Here I cast this from int. Then if I print this, it is 2. It will remove all the floating points. Then data type is int. I think you will understand anything of data types in Python. I hope to continue this video series and give you this kind of valuable videos. Please subscribe my video channel. Thank you.